Jesus!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Over and over again. Yeah, as soon as you get an X-ray, oh, that you're good to go. You're not.
Cause I got too much life running up through my veins. I need to feel I cannot get enough.
I'll be waiting for a while. Fucking stupid bitch. I don't think she didn't even look at you.
Yeah, cheap. Yeah. I think that was last year.
Ah!
Go, Jim. Jesus. How did it go? Jack Knife?
Yeah. What the fuck? What? What?
On the block are getting into the Christmas spirit to give away concert tickets, cash, Nintendos, and more. Get ready to win your chance.
喂！喂，唔好撞啦，小心啊你小心啊，小心啊！嘿，落橋啦！哇！屌你老母臭化閪啊！喂！喂，衝崩黐線㗎！哇！真係撲你個臭街啊！影撚住佢。
Coming in this summer night. Oh Jesus!
Oh my god! 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 Abby, are you okay? Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna call the police.
Oh my god.
Everyone okay? Oh, Jesus Christ. Everyone okay?
Oh my god!
You're okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Abby, are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey! 𝘄𝗵𝗽𝗃.
No, he's giving. He's up to no good.
And ultimate gas log fires and wood heaters, massive stock, inventory reduction
nice one, dipshit.
Over $10 million of heaters must be cleared. Details at 𝘄𝗵𝗽𝗃.com.au. I'll check Melbourne's latest traffic again in 50.
Chances are you're sitting here in this bar, 'cause he ain't gonna treat you right. Well, probably not my place.
Oh, that's going to be red.
Nestled in picturesque scenic surroundings, 𝘃𝗵𝗁𝗍 serves up Sydney's finest Italian cuisine and the freshest seafood 7 days a week. From romantic